To fully realize your pit bull's potential as a devoted, well-mannered friend, you must become an expert socializer. Discover how the right steps can prevent aggression and help your dog thrive in any environment. In this video, we'll examine how pit bulls socialize to prevent aggression. Let's delve right in. The importance of early socialization. Early socialization is essential for reducing a dog's risk of developing fear, anxiety, and aggression in the future. Early and regular socialization can help dispel unfavorable misconceptions about pit bulls, a breed that is sometimes unjustly linked to aggression, and guarantee that they develop into self-assured, amiable adult dogs. Puppies have the best socialization window from 3 to 14 weeks of age. They are most open to new experiences and are able to create good associations with their environment during this period. During this crucial time, a pit bull may become afraid and aggressive if proper socialization is not provided. When faced with unknown settings, dogs who are not accustomed to new people, canines, or environments may exhibit fear or anxiety. Defensive aggression can result from anxiety since the dog may feel threatened and need to defend itself. Furthermore, because pit bulls are powerful, energetic canines, poor socialization can result in irritability or excessive enthusiasm. These actions, when paired with their inherent power, might lead to inadvertent aggression or rough play that could be misinterpreted as hostile behavior. Thus, a balanced temperament requires early socialization, in addition to consistent training and supervised exposure to many environments. Techniques for socializing a pit bull. Start early but go slow. As previously shown, puppies have a window of opportunity for socialization that opens at roughly 3 weeks and ends at about 14 weeks. But socialization should continue throughout the rest of the dog's life, even beyond this phase. The earlier you begin working with pit bulls, the better. Start by exposing your pit bull puppy to a range of environments, people and noises from an early age. It's crucial to make sure these encounters are fulfilling, rather than burdensome. Always keep an eye on encounters, particularly those with other animals, to avoid unpleasant experiences that can trigger fear or hostility. Start the socialization process for your puppy in a safe space, such as your backyard or home. Gradually expose your pit bull to a variety of surfaces, items, and noises. You may play loud music, turn on the siren, or let them near a vacuum machine while rewarding their composure with praise or food. This methodical introduction will eventually enable your dog to feel at ease in a range of environments. Introduce new people and animals gradually. Despite their reputation as people-oriented dogs, pit bulls nevertheless require regular exposure to new people in order to prevent them from developing excessive defensive or scared behaviors. Start your pit bull introductions with composed, self-assured folks who know how to properly approach a dog. Instruct your pit bull to maintain composure when interacting with strangers. Steer clear of places where people could frighten or agitate the dog, such as noisy, boisterous kids or weird, face-palming people. It takes extra caution to introduce your pit bull to other animals, especially dogs. Select canines with a serene disposition and good socialization. As you spend more time with these dogs, make sure they're both content and not aggressive. Dog parks, puppy play groups, and supervised playdates can all be beneficial as long as you keep a tight eye on the relationships. But if your pit bull appears uncomfortable with other dogs or animals, never force them to mingle. Building their confidence in these social settings is mostly dependent on providing them with affection, praise, and treats. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement training. Positive reinforcement, which involves rewarding good conduct instead of penalizing negative behavior, should be the cornerstone of any training program. Rewarding excellent behavior with toys, praise, and food will help your pit bull learn that good deeds bring benefits. This is particularly crucial while socializing your dog since you want them to associate positively with new situations, people, and animals. Reward your pit bull right away when they exhibit good social behavior, such as being composed around other dogs or smiling at strangers without leaping. They will learn which behaviors are appropriate with this reinforcement, which will motivate them to repeat those actions in the future. However, punishment can also cause worry and panic, which raises the possibility of aggressive conduct. Enroll in obedience classes. A great technique to socialize your pit bull in a controlled setting is through obedience classes. Expert trainers can help you understand simple directions and take care of any behavioral problems at an early stage. Additionally, these programs allow your pit bull the chance to socialize in a supervised and controlled environment with people and other dogs. Your dog will encounter a variety of distractions in a group setting. which will help them develop the ability to concentrate on you in spite of outside noise. This ability is essential for preventing violent behavior since a well-trained dog is more likely to follow instructions under pressure. Being able to follow simple obedience cues like sit, stay, leave it, and come is especially crucial for pit bulls, who are frequently spirited and strong-willed, to stay in control during social situations. Socialize in different environments. It's important to introduce your pit bull to a variety of settings, not just your house and the park nearby. Explore a variety of places with your dog, including crowded streets, outdoor cafes, beaches, and pet-friendly shops. The greater the variety of experiences, the more at ease your dog will be in new environments. Make sure your pit bull stays composed and self-assured when they are introduced to new situations. If they exhibit stress-related behaviors like excessive panting, cowering, or barking, give them some room and time to get used to it. Reward peaceful conduct consistently to strengthen favorable connections with these novel locations. Preventing aggression. There are other measures you may take to regulate and stop violent tendencies in pit bulls, even if socialization is the main strategy for preventing aggression. If aggression is not appropriately controlled, even well-socialized dogs may turn aggressive. Therefore, constant supervision and training are crucial. Understand the signs of aggression. Recognizing your dog's body language is essential to stopping aggressive behavior before it gets out of control. Aggression-provoking signs of fear or anxiety include a tensed body, raised hackles, growling, snarling, or baring teeth, a stiff tail often raised high, avoiding eye contact or intense staring, and flattened ears or a tightly closed mouth. It's critical to remove your pit bull from the scenario as soon as you see these symptoms to prevent them from acting violently. Steer clear of circumstances that make your dog feel confined or intimidated, as they can frequently set off aggressive behavior in dogs. Avoid aggressive play. Playing rough, like tug-of-war or wrestling, might make dogs more aggressive, especially pit bulls who have a high prey drive. Although pit bulls love to play, it's important to make sure that play stays controlled and doesn't turn into fighting. If your pit bull starts acting too harsh while playing, end the game right away and divert their energy to something more peaceful. Enforcing consistent guidelines during playtime will assist your dog in learning the distinctions between appropriate and inappropriate conduct. Neuter or spay your dog. The chance of hostility in your pit bull can be greatly decreased by spaying or neutering it. Because their testosterone levels are higher, intact males in particular are more likely to exhibit violent behaviors. Neutering can lessen aggressive behavior associated with dominance in territory, but it is not a foolproof cure. Provide adequate exercise and mental stimulation. Pit bulls are energetic canines that need mental and physical activity on a regular basis to be happy and healthy. Anger might arise from frustration brought on by a lack of exercise. Keep your pit bull's mind and body engaged with regular walks, fun, and mental challenges like puzzle toys or obedience training. Dogs who are weary are less prone to display problematic behaviors, such as aggression. To keep your pit bull from being bored or frustrated, make sure they get at least an hour of physical exercise every day in addition to mental stimulation. It's critical to get advice from a qualified dog trainer or behaviorist if, in spite of your best efforts at socialization, your pit bull exhibits aggressive behavior. They are able to evaluate your dog's behavior and offer a customized training program to deal with particular problems. If aggressive behavior is not addressed in a timely manner, it can worsen. Expert trainers can also assist in identifying factors that lead to violent behavior, such as fear, dominance, or territorial tendencies. You can try to desensitize your pit bull to these triggers and reinforce calm conduct in stressful situations by figuring out the root cause of their aggression. Pit bull socialization to avoid aggression is a lifelong process that needs care, consistency, and time. While early socialization is important, your pit bull will be a well-adjusted and amiable companion if they are constantly exposed to new people, animals, and situations throughout their lives. The three main strategies for avoiding aggressive tendencies in dogs are positive reinforcement, organized training, and body language awareness. Any arising behavioral disorders can also be managed with the provision of sufficient exercise, mental stimulation, and professional supervision when needed. Your pit bull can develop into a self-assured, well-mannered dog that values interactions with people and other animals if you take the appropriate training. Would you kindly like, share, and subscribe to this video if you found it useful? Thank you for watching.